how to delete all posts on Facebook at once. Now let's say it is a hassle to manually delete every post that you have on your feed or on your profile account. All you have to do to delete all posts on Facebook at once is to go to your main menu right here and then scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. You just have to click on that and click on Settings. Once you're on your settings, you just have to scroll down until you find your activity section where activity log is located. You just have to click on that and then click on public posts right here. Now you will be able to see every post that you have on your Facebook. In order for you to delete that, all you have to do is to tap on each and every post that you have, or you can select every post that you have right now by clicking on all and click on trash right here if you want to delete all that post. You can move this to trash right now, right there. So that's how to delete all posts on Facebook at once. Hope we help.